Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you love to knit or crochet, but you're not sure about getting yarn online, you have to try this yarn that I got from KnitPal. I've been crocheting since I was 5 years old, and I've used a lot of junky yarns before. KnitPal is above the rest. I love how this yarn feels as you're crocheting. It's very smooth, it flows out of the skein nicely, and I like that it doesn't catch on things because that can be a real irritation when you're crocheting. I'm so impressed that the yarn actually looks like it does in the pictures online. I got the painted wool pack in fall leaves. There are 5 different patterns and they're all gorgeous. And I love that they all match. So what I did with my project is I used all 5 of the skeins and I created this shawl sweater. Now I'm still kind of learning how to fashion it, but I just love the way that it feels. This is 30% wool, 70% acrylic, which means that you can wash it and it's not itchy or scratchy, but it doesn't feel synthetic either. KnitPal makes beautiful, durable yarns. They are perfect for any of the projects that you're looking for, and they have so many varieties of weight of yarn and colors. You definitely can find what you're looking for whatever project you have in mind. I absolutely love them, and that's my point of view.